Shunga erotic art invites you to explore a taboo side of sexuality, the female ejaculation. You may have never experienced the G-spot orgasm, or you may have been introduced to its utmost pleasure experience. The Rain of Love cream is designed specifically to increase and prolong G-spot arousal, transporting you to places that you never knew existed. An illustrated exploration guide comes with the cream and reveals secrets about this erogenous zone, as well as different positions that can help stimulate it. Apply a little cream on the tip of your middle finger, keeping it curved so that when you insert it, you can apply the cream directly onto your G-spot. Massage firmly in a back and forth motion to increase circulation and for the cream to penetrate well. You will feel your G-spot swell with pleasure, becoming harder and sensitive. With the help of your partner, your finger, or your vibrator specifically designed for the G-spot, continue massaging. Surrender to the flood of sensations and immerse yourself in multiple orgasms, or even for some women, climax the supreme orgasm, the Rain of Love. Let your body completely surrender to full sublime pleasure.